We would like to introduce in this short presentation our new protein kinase assay, the BioThema Kinase Reaction Rate Kit, or RR Kit. This has been developed primarily for high-throughput screening, but can also be used for other applications. In the assay, we make a real-time measurement of ATP consumption by having luciferase and luciferin always present during the kinase reaction. The ATP consumption is low, and the luciferase activity is unchanged during measurement. A key feature is that it's easy to construct a standard curve for the selection of a suitable kinase concentration. In addition, the assay can be used for peptide optimization and the calculation of IC50 values. An ATP concentration of 1 micromolar or less can be used as long as it's well below the Km for ATP, which ensures that we're working in the linear range of the luciferase reaction. Only the other substrate has to be optimized. The fact that we are measuring the first-order rate constant of the ATP consumption makes the assay suitable for all kinases and all kinds of substrates. This means you don't have to search around for assays from different companies, and one kit works for all samples with our easy experimental setup. This slide shows typical raw data results from a kinase standard curve. As you can see, an increase in the kinase activity results in a more rapid decay of the light emission. A typical standard curve is shown here and illustrates the wide linear range and high sensitivity. This is important when you want to establish suitable kinase levels in your high-throughput screening procedure. Z prime values are a commonly used indicator of assay quality. Anything over 0.6 is regarded as good, and we typically get values of well over 0.8, which shows the extremely high quality of our assay. Furthermore, samples containing a high kinase activity can be measured in minutes, and those with low or very low activity can be measured equally accurately over several hours. With multiple readings of the same signal, kinase activities differing by more than 1,000 can be measured in the same microwell plate. This means that you can choose between kinase consumption and assay time, whichever is more appropriate. Unlike other luminescence-based high-throughput assays, we measure at 2 points in time. This ensures that there's no compound interference. The advantage of measuring the slope is that it always gives the right classification of hits. All competitive and non-competitive inhibitors are detected, with no interference from any luciferase inhibition. This means a very reliable assay, with no need to make any costly reruns. In summary, Kinase RR Kit is a real-time reaction rate assay which works with any kinase activity. In high-throughput screening applications, the light is measured twice, which obviates any problems with classification of hits resulting from luciferase inhibition. In non-high-throughput screening, further advantages can be gained by reading the plate repeatedly. The assay uses no radioactivity, no antibodies, no conjugates, and generates a linear standard curve. A simple plug-and-play operation. For more information on the theoretical basis of the assay and details of experimental results, please take a look at our extended PowerPoint presentation by clicking on the related icon.